Oi oi, cook and vibe. Welcome to season 10. My voice is a little bit mad today. We're gonna have to just go through. We're in the jungle. Yeah man, this is our place. Little something in the jungle. Today, we are cooking bully beef and beans. Yeah man, bully beef, beans and rice. That's what we're cooking today, people. It's a breakfast thing, do you know what I'm saying? I think we've done bully beef on the show before, but we ain't cooked bully beef in the jungle, and I really fancy it. And we've got some baked beans to go with it as well, and we've got some rice that we done cooked last night. You get me? So it's early morning time, and this place is actually called Mango Ridge. Alright, it's called Mango Ridge, right up in the country. As you can see around here, this is the place we're staying. Very, very open. There's a lot of bugs, a wall heap of bugs. But all right, so around here is the shower, the outside shower. You get me? I like to take a shower out here. Man's in nature, you see. So yeah, man. Let's say the shower gel up there, shower there, and we're just here in the jungle. There's actually fish in this thing. You see two of them yesterday, Ben?
Yeah, two little goldfish.
Goldfish in there, man. But yeah, that's the view. So we got our corned beef, yeah, and we got our baked beans. We've already cooked the rice. That was done last night. Let me show you the ingredients that's gonna go into the bully beef. Yes, that's the ingredients for our bully beef. We've got half a onion, we've got 2 tomatoes, we've got a Scotch bonnet, we've got some thyme, and we've got some scallion. So yeah, first of all, cut up the vegetables, open up the bully beef. That is it. Oi oi, cook and vibe. Alright, there we go people. Up and running. Oil goes in. Yeah, let that heat up for a minute. Over here we've got our onions, got our bully beef ready to go. So we shall now start cut up some tomato to go in there. So like I said, we've got the white onion, tomatoes, Scotch bonnet, scallion. All right. Our onions and our tomatoes chopped up. Dash them straight. Right. Let's get the rest of the ingredients in there, people, quick and fast. Oi, oi. That is what else is going to go in there. You can smell that Scotch bonnet. Oi, oi. People. Cooking nicely, people. Yeah. So make that soften up a little bit. Then we're gonna add the bully beef in there. Oi oi. Everything is nice and soft in there, people. Right, now we can go for our bully beef. We've got cook and vibe being released right now in there. And there we go for the bully beef. Oi oi. That is it, people. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Get all that in there. Alright, that is it. Now we have a little sprinkle. All-purpose seasoning. That is it. And then we just mix this all around. Yeah, this is the little kitchen, people. And in here is our rice from last night. We ain't got that many pots, so what we've got to do is gonna have to get the rice out of here, put that in there. Our rice for our breakfast that we done cook up last night with the curry chicken back. That is it. Right, we've got no tin opener, so I'm having to bust all the cans with knife and wood as a brick. Yeah, so just cleaning out the rice pot so we can put the beans inside. There we go. There's our beans inside. That's what the beans look like out here. Yeah, we've got a little stove cooker thing in here. Excuse the rice and stuff from last night. It's a bit dark in here at night time. But yeah, this goes straight on, so that is it, people. Oi. The beans them are gone, heat up, the bully beef is nearly done, the rice is pretty much done. Of course the rice is done, though. Yeah! Soon ready up, people, man. Bully beef in the morning time, breakfast in the jungle, oi. This is now ready up, people. Bully beef, you understand? Yeah, man. Breakfast time in the jungle. Hoy! I'll find some mango in a minute. You can see it in a better light there. There you go. Our beans are nearly ready. Rice ready up. Yeah, man. Let's plate up the episode. Man said plate up the episode, you know, but that's how you know I'm tired, people. Plate up the episode. Let's eat the episode. Let's just eat the episode. Yeah, people. Just plating up the food now. You get me? Up and coming productions. Right here. That is it, people. Yeah, man, taste time. You get me? Bully beef and rice. I get some of the bully beef, some of the rice, and some of the beans. Maddest thing. A lot of people look at corned beef and they're like, bully beef. Maddest thing. Swear. Breakfast time in the jungle. A good vibe, people. Boy,
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You know the way I go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Hoi! Welcome to the big up section, people. Listen, do you know what? I can't believe it. We're actually near the end of season 10. I know it's sad, people. I know. But you know what? All good things must come to an end. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and yeah, season 10 was amazing. Jamaica, a little bit of America, crazy. It has to go back to UK at some point, unfortunately. So this week's big up, people. Big up DJ Steph Music Sessions 1055. He says, hopefully I get a shout out, laugh out loud. Big up yourself, M.R. showing the world the real party experience in a JA. Weddy was my best highlight when I was in JA. Big up yourself, my bro. Glad to say you enjoy Jamaica and you got to go to the dance then, you know what I'm saying? A good vibes. People, if you ain't seen that episode, go check it out. Nightlife in Kingston, Jamaica. And also big up Seema Jason 6948 says, big up M. Introduce my son to cook and vibe culture only because I do. He's heading with the dancehall upon Alexa. Laugh. If you could big me and my boy up, Woyoy, Jay and Riley. So Jay and Riley, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Thank you for your support on the channel. People, like I said, yo, it's nearly the end of season 10. Season 11 is going to be crazy. I know I always say it on every season, but everything must step up. This been a good season. Let's be honest. This has been a good season. So let's see what happens in season 11. We've got one more episode. That's right. One more episode, which will be dropping on Thursday. And after that, it will go straight into season 11 on Sunday for a very, very, very special episode. Make sure the notification bells are on. You don't want to miss it. See you soon.